Good morning, students. We'll continue with our chapter number 5, My Robot Robbie. Here you can see I have written the new words with their meanings and we will read it out. As usual, you will also read it with me, along with me, and please write these new words at home in your rough notebook and learn the spellings and learn the meanings. I hope you will be able to answer the meanings when I ask you in the live classes or during the test. The first word is soothing. Soothing, it's comforting, like very comfortable thing. It's soothing clothes I am wearing some soothing, it's a soothing color. My rooms, they have very, the dark colors are not at all soothing. You have light pastel colors on your walls of your room, you say it's a soothing color, which is comforting. It gives you comfort. Computerized, here this word computerized means words spoken by computer, because this robot had a computerized metallic voice. So computerized metallic voice means the words spoken by the computer, means it is programmed, as I had told you in the previous video, that it is programmed in such a way that it speaks in that way. But the robot's voice and our voice is different. You must have seen, I told you can watch any scientific channels where they show you robots and they speak in I will do the work if you tell me, like this program. You must have seen the movies also. Then the previous means earlier. I hope you have done your previous assignments, means the earlier assignments given to you. Certainly means without any doubt. You have no doubt. Now see children, doubt spelling D-O-U-B-T, but this B is silent. You don't say doubt, it's doubt. Okay, so certainly I will do all the lessons today without any doubt. You don't have any doubt about it. Obedient, one who is willing to obey orders. Now, like we should be obedient to our parents or our elders. When anybody tells you something, you should obey. Means you should follow what he or she is saying. So it is obedient. Next is approach. Approach means to come near. My friend approached to me when he had some doubt in his assignment. Means he came to me with some doubts, or I approached to my father when I had doubt in my assignment. Okay, number 7th one, unscrew. Remove by taking on the screw. As you know that there are some screws here which have fixed the board. If I unscrew means I have to take a screwdriver and open the nuts and the bolts, and then that screw, if I unscrew it, it will come out. The nails will come out and it will open if it is thing. So by removing out the screws, the plate of the robot came out as new. Continued as you know, went on doing things. I continued with my lesson immediately, at once. Come here immediately means come here at once. So these are some of the new words with their meanings. Children, you are expected to learn these new words with their correct spelling and learn the meanings. As I told you, you can practice it in your rough notebook by writing. Now, few questions. What does the speaker love about Robbie? The speaker here is Sunny. Now, what are the things that Sunny likes about the robot, this Robbie? It is very obedient. Sunny liked about the robot because it is very obedient. It does all the household work and it functions very smoothly or proper. How does Robbie react when the speaker asks it for biscuits? Now when the speaker, Sunny, asks for some biscuits, to the robot. Robot was not at all annoyed, not at all angry. He immediately, when he said yes, of course I will bring it, and he went and bring the biscuits. What task does Robi do at home? Robi does all the work it has been assigned to, means it has been given. It cleans the floor, it washes utensils and clothes, it does all the work of Sunny, and whatever the family members ask it to do it. What does the robot mechanic do on Robi? The robot mechanic came and put it on the table and unscrewed its plates and took out the meter. The meter it found, it is given here that he took the meter, continued to test some points of the meter. Take the he had some tools, and with the help of the tools he took it and he repaired it, and he saw that that gadget again starts functioning. What does the speaker tell Robi when it gets up? When Robi got up, Sunny told that the match is over, and so the robot immediately went to the kitchen to help Sunny's mother. See, this is all about this chapter. I hope you will be able to do the question answers in the assignments, and of course I will help you out. Afterwards I will give you the solution and you can check it. Now children, there is a picture of robot given here. It is in your textbook, page number 43. You can write in the box what are they. This is electric bulb. The eyes, there are some bulbs in. Actually, in our eyes we don't have bulbs. We have eyes, and you will study all this structure of eye, pupil and all that. This is a bulb. There are two bulbs, so electric bulbs, you will write. Number 2 is this is the buttons. As you know, these are buttons. This is already written antenna. They have antennas. If you have seen, even in your car also you have antenna which help you to catch the different sounds. Like you have the music system or your FM radios. They are, with the help of these antennas you catch. Even in your TV, that satellite transmission, they are transmitted, and these antennas, they help us to to catch those transmissions, satellite transmission, and you are able to watch your programs on the TV. And this is the brain, because it has the brain in the stomach. So I hope you will be able to do this. One has been done for you, and you can do other things. Now children, there are some words given in the box in next page number 44, and they have asked you which are the things that are associated with fridge. They have given you words like food, pencils, table, yogurts, fruit, books, drink, milk, flowers and mosquito. Now you have to write out that what are the things that are associated with this fridge. Now the things that are associated with fridge are, okay students, this is in page number 44B2, words associated with fridge. Associated means related to fridge. Now the words that are related to fridge are food, yogurt, fruit, drink, milk and flowers. Now food, you keep it in the fridge, you know that, in refrigerator. Yogurt is kind of a dairy. Fruits, you know, drink different juice or cold drinks maybe. Milk also, you all know that you can keep it in the fridge, otherwise it can get spoiled. And flowers, now you will wonder why flowers. Sometimes what happens children, suppose I have bought some flowers which I will use it the next day, it will get spoiled, so we can keep it in the fridge, it remains fresh. That's why I've written flowers also. Generally we don't keep flowers, but it can be used, like there is a function in your house next day. I mean, purchase early in the morning you have the functions, when you purchase the flowers, and you can keep it in the fridge. You will see it, it will remain fresh. So these are the words which are related to fridge. So you can do this exercise in your text. Okay. So this is all about this lesson. Thank you, children.